Welcome to my YouTube channel. Products link in the descriptions. Number 1 Drone Review 2023 New Drone S8000 4K HD Dual Lens with Optical Flow Obstacle Avoidance Photography Helicopter RC Mini Plane Toys Battery Specifications, Removable, Replaceable Battery, yes, Video Format Name/Type, MP4, MOV, AVI, WMV, MKV, RMVB, F4V, QSV, AFS, FLV, SWF, MPG, VOP, MPEG, VCD, NIV, Video Maximum Resolution Pixel x Pixel, 4K 4096x2160, Category, Camera Drone, Stolby, yes, Spotlight, yes, App-supported languages, Simplified Chinese, English, Sensing System, Complete Omnidirectional, Forward, Backward, Lateral, Upward, Downward, Camera Stabilization, Gimbal Image Stabilizer, Aircraft Operating Frequency, 2.4 GHz, Max Flight Time, 25 minutes, Drone Battery Capacity, 3.7 V 2000 mAh, Drone Weight, 250 grams, Transmission Range, 2.7 kilometers, Camera Mount Type, Fixed Camera Mount, 2-axis Gimbal, GPS, no, Optical Zoom, 10x and below, FPV Operation, yes, Connectivity, App Controller, Remote Control, Wi-Fi Connection, Control Channels, 4 channels, Flight Time, 25 minutes, Remote Distance, 300 meters, Frequency, 2.4 GHz, Sensor Size, 1/4.9 inches, Camera Integration, Camera Included, Camera Features, 4K HD Video Recording, Brand Name, Dix, Origin, Mainland China, Aerial Photography, yes, Certification.